Hey, Handy Helpers! It's me, Andy.
And Lily.
And welcome to Andy's Workshop, where we fix it,
build it,
and learn it
together. We're gonna put our tire rack on.
All right. Drill. A wrench to tighten the lug nuts. Twist. Let's put the hubcap on. And let's use our hammer to make it nice and tight. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap.
Twinkle, twinkle, glowing star, wrench will twist to where you are. Fix the telescope, oh my. Let's go stargaze in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, glowing star, wrench will twist to where you are.
A, B, C, D, E, and F. A, N, D, Y.
B-A-L-L. Ball.
Cat is one of my favorite pets.
D is for doll.
Elephant starts with the letter E.
The word flower starts with the letter F.
All right, Lily. Can you name some things that are in pairs of two?
Well, we have two fishing rods. Oh, and bicycles have two wheels that go round and round. Oh, and I have two eyes and two ears. Actually, there are a lot of body parts that come in pairs of two. We both have two arms and two legs. Oh, and when it's chilly, I put on two mittens on my two hands. And two shoes on my two feet.
At Andy's Workshop, we fix it,
Build it,
and learn it together.